I'm listening to stories that break my heart. The stories that would have ended well with a better start. It's like these stories just pull me in. It's just that people already think that I have sinned. But the people, they're all true. Their accusations have got me pinned. Maybe the best thing in my life wasn't meant to be. Maybe I should have been who I wanted to be. But even now I know I truly messed up, and this mess has got me all caught up. And now I wound up in the mess I once started. But on with my life, and on with the ones departed.